Hello guys, welcome to another video.
So guys, so now we are on a screen right now. So this is the Zoom homepage. Now after logging your account, you will after logging your account, you will ended up this page, the meeting. So now you can start your new meetings, launch your host meeting, and you can set your schedule. You have a personal room here. You have a meeting template, so you can set your default template, and you need to enter your meeting name, and this is your meeting ID, and you need to set the date and the time. You can also set the password for your meeting member. So you just need to start the meeting. So just start this meeting, and so here it is. So you just need to start the link, just schedule. You can also schedule your meeting. So first, simply just you need to start, or you can also schedule your meeting like you can also schedule like in different date or time. You can set the date and the time for your meeting. So here it is. So guys, so now simply you just need to save this setting. You can also save the title for your meeting and also description. You just need to save, and then you just simply need to share your link. So here it is. So this is your meeting ID, and this is your link. You just need to share your link and just start the meeting.